Okay, they say by drawing sketch graph, determine the value of x for which. All right. Do you know how to sketch this one? Only the white part. Let's remove this part. Good. You also know how to sketch that without that part, correct? You also know how to sketch what's in the block without all of this, right? And also this one without all this nyaga nyaga. Is it making sense to you? Good. Then if you know that, half of the job, you're almost done. So let me go here, and we are going to do the first one. We're going to do the first one. I'm wondering here, let's see. Yeah. Here's the graph. So I'm gonna put that and that over there. Now you sketch this one. Myself, I know how to do it like now, but what I normally do, I pretend this is equals to y. I write it in an exponential form. Then I say x equals to 2 to the y. So which means it would have been y equals to 2 to the x. That one is a graph that goes like that. It cuts here. So for the log will cut here and it's increasing. It will be the purple one. Alright. I showed you how to use the table. Remember that, guys. Yeah. I'm wondering, this thing of mine is doing some funny thing. But yeah. Wow. Well, okay, let me. We know that the graph, it's increasing, it's going like this. And your dotted line, I'm gonna make it in yellow. In your case, it's over the y-axis, so it's here. Can you see? So here we don't need to worry. Here we know x is 1, y is 0. So this is log 2x, x2. This is the graph that says log x base 2. Now I'm going to reveal the other part. You see this part, you have a 1 there, ne? You have a 1, can you see? That simply means y equals to 1. That is a horizontal line. Go find where y is 1. Y will be 1 somewhere here. Let's put 1 there. Then when you draw a straight line, sefitang mole. So let me try to draw it. There. You see? So this is y equals to 1. It's actually 2 equations. It's 2 graphs, one on the left, one on the right. Rishabh, ne? Now they say the log graph, it's under, it's less than, it's under that one, less than or equals to 1. You want where the blue, the purple, it's under the green. I'm going to highlight it for you in, let's go, I'm gonna go yellow for you. Kimo, molim fatsi. It starts there, itemo, like that. So which means the purple part, it's above, it's great. Remember the sign, It says less than, under. So you don't need this purple. There's your graph. Rishabh. Now, but let's call these coordinates A, because you want to give them that coordinates. One thing that you know the y value ki 1 hakere. So put 1. Go substitute 1 in the equation of log to get the x. Remember, the log was basically y equals to log x base 2. So put 1 in the y. So 1 equals to log 2x. So x, so you're going to have 2 to the 1 equals to x. X is 2, isn't it? Yeah, so that's the points of intersection they were looking for. That's why they say determine the values where the graph, did they say determine the values of x for which year? Yeah. Yeah, mara mo kufila points of intersection. Where nabari babatla, where this graph is under. So we need to give them the answer now. Where is the yellow graph under the green? Starting here, more x adding 2. Can you see it's 2 here, x here? When you follow the yellow, you are going to 1. X is 1 here. In other words, you are shifting to the left. In other words, it's going to be at 2 and less than 2, less than 1, less. But you'll never touch the origin. It's between 0 and 2. Rishabh. So 0 less than x less than 2. But because there was equal sign, by the 2 you put equal sign, by the 0 you can't because it's an asymptote. So what I'm putting in the box, that's the answer they were looking for. They wanted you to tell them the yellow part, the yellow graph. What is it mathematically? Sharp. Alright, so we are going to do the same thing with these ones. Also the other one. The other graphs, this one here.